Good morning, all of you. Hydroxy compounds alcohol. Short answer questions, part 18. The given question is predict the product A, B, X and Y in the following sequence of reaction. Butane to all, secondary butyl alcohol. When treated with the SOCl2, thionyl chloride gives A. A when treated with the magnesium ether gives B. Here compound butane 2-all when treated with the copper 573 Kelvin catalytic dehydrogenation gives X. X react with the B gives Y. Simple reaction. Now we start with the first reaction. Butane 2-all, CH3, CH2, 4 carbon atom, CHOH, CH3. This is your butane 2-all. 4 carbon atom butane, carbon single bond N, OH all, position of OH2, butane 2-all. Undergo catalytic dehydrogenation in presence of copper at 573 Kelvin. One hydrogen from functional group, another hydrogen from the functional group attached carbon atom is removed as H2. Now this bond is shifted between carbon and oxygen, gives CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH3 plus loss of H2O. 4 carbon butane, carbon single bond N, ketone 1, position of ketone 2, this is your butone, compound X, our compound X. Now we have to find out B, A and B we have to find out. Now I write the reaction. Butane 2-all when treated with the thionyl chloride nucleophilic substitution reaction gives A. Butane 2-all, secondary butyl chloride, CH3, CH2, CHOH, butane 2-all. The same compound I have written before. This is our butane 2-all, butane 2-all. 4 carbon butane, carbon single bond N, OH all, butane 2-all when treated with SOCl2, thionyl chloride, SOCl2. One oxygen and one SO is removed as SO2. One H and one Cl is removed as HCl. One Cl is removed as HCl. Here you have one Cl. That Cl is removed as HCl and another chlorine is added to carbon atom, gives CH3, CH2, CHCl. Here you have one CH3 plus SO2, liberation of SO2, loss of HCl. When I give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon butane, carbon single bond N, butane, and in the second carbon we have chloro. So this is your 2-chlorobutane, 2-chlorobutane. 2-chlorobutane is compound A. From compound A, now we are going to prepare compound B. When compound A is treated with magnesium ether, formation of Grignard reagent, magnesium ether, Mg is added to carbon atom, gives secondary butyl magnesium chloride, CH3, CH2, CH3, magnesium is added in between carbon and chlorine. This is compound B. Compound B. What is our compound B? Secondary butyl magnesium chloride, a Grignard reagent. Now compound B react with compound X. What is our compound X? Butane 2-one, CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH3 plus compound B is CH3, CH2, CH, MgCl, CH3. Compound X, butane 2-one, undergo reaction with B, secondary butyl magnesium chloride in triether. Addition product is formed. What is that addition product? Oxygen is more electronegative, therefore it pulls the shared pair of electron towards itself. Oxygen becomes minus, carbon becomes plus. Magnesium is a metal, always lost electron becomes positive ion and carbon negative ion. Add the whole secondary butyl to this carbon, MgCl to this oxygen. First now write this secondary butanone group, CH3, CH2, CH3. To this plus minus is added. What is our minus? CH3, CH2, CH3. This minus is added to carbon atom. After the bond shifting, oxygen becomes minus. To this minus, MgCl is added. MgCl. This addition product undergo hydrolysis in presence of mineral acid gives one alcohol. As usual, magnesium is a metal, last electron becomes positive ion, oxygen is a negative ion. The H plus is now added to O minus and OH minus is now added to Mg plus. So now I write the product, main product, CH3, CH2, CH3. Here you have one CH3, CH2, CH3. There is a bond between these two carbon atoms, and here you have OH. Alcohol is obtained with the loss of MgOHCl, magnesium chlorohydride. This is Y, compound Y. What is the name of compound Y? Now I give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to select the main chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon atom, root word hex, carbon single bond N, OH all, position of OH is 3. In the third and fourth carbon atom, we have 2 methyl. 3, 4 dimethyl hexane 3 all is the IUPAC name of the product. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.